Hello everyone, this is going to be a very quick tutorial as I get a request like I showed in my previous video example of t-shirt design from Amazon like this one. So how to make this kind of designs like this kind of patterns and how to find this kind of designs. So for finding this kind of designs, if you don't know what it calls, so you need to do some research. Like you can see that Merry Christmas t-shirt, woman, leopard, plaid, trees. So leopard, we can understand that this skin texture is of a leopard. So this is called plaid texture or plaid pattern. You can search it on Google. You can see plaid. So you need some patterns like these plaid patterns. You can download them from like Freepik or any other website subscription if you have, and if you don't have, I am going to give you some of them. So you can see, and we need some animal skin. I was searching like animal skin patterns so that you can find some free images, really good images or vector files. I am going to use this one. This is premium. And then also I am going to use some Plaid patterns from this bundle here from my this, you can see this is premium, but I am going to use this one. I have premium subscription and I will add the files to my group. You can download them. Okay, so before making this kind of designs, we need to understand then that if that is copyrighted or not. So this is just a Merry Christmas design writing, and then this is the leopard and the plate pattern. So I found another t-shirt design yesterday while I was doing some like searching like ideas. So there was a t-shirt design called Merry and Bright. So I was thinking of making something with the Merry and Bright. So I didn't actually know that what is Merry and Bright. So I was searching on Google like what does Merry Bright mean. So you can see this is like the may your day be merry and bright. So merry means happy. I can simply use this one, this text here. Then if I go to marchinformer.com, because okay, not in marchinformer.com, I need to go to trademarkia.com because this is easy to search here. Just type in something here, may your day be merry and bright. So you can see there is no actually live mark showing here, so that's good for us. We can work with this one, and I'm again working with my illustrator. So the point of my this video is I will make a center point for my graphics here with a large kind of Christmas tree so that I can use my patterns in the Christmas tree. So I'm going to use this Christmas tree bundle. This is free on Freepik. You can download them freely, but I will add the links in my description, no problem, but you can download them from Freepik. So I'm just taking one of the trees here, then I'm going to make a copy here, but I am going to make it smaller in size, then another copy here. Okay, so I have three tree right now. So if I select them, I can simply align them with the bottom. Then I need this one to be on top of the other two. Okay, let's move them like that so that the patterns becomes visible. So just like this, then select this three, then I'm going to distribute the center of them just like this. It will be same, but this one I think should be a little bigger and a little down like than the other two, and that's how it will look like a this one is in front and that two is in the distance. So that is good for me. Let's make a offset path for our text for our tree like that. Maybe 20 pixel is good. Let's cut this. Then I need to select my these two text, these two tree, group them. Okay, sorry for that, I always forget to turn this on. So if I double click here to open the transparency, then press Ctrl F, it will paste it in front, but I need it to be black, need to make it black so that it looks complete transparent on the image here. So what is happening here? Okay, that part is not being black. So first of all I need to select everything here inside the transparency. You can see, now you can see we have black as the fill, but there are strokes in that design and we don't want that. So let's expand the whole thing here and then keep expanding until it becomes none in the stroke and then make it black. So as you can see, this will make it look like this, but we can simply select one of this, right click to ungroup. This is making that area again ungroup, just like this. Then this one, okay, that is good for us. That is not like overlapping the shape there, so that is good for us. Now for these trees, we need to select these three. As there are a stroke in it, we need to first of all expand them so that there is no more stroke left. And once it is done, we need to, now as I showed you in my previous one of my previous video, that we can make these small parts like colorful in each and everything colorful, but I am going to make it simple. So I am selecting the tree here. Okay, if I press shift M, it will give me the shape builder tool. And as you can see, these are some parts that is going outside of my tree shape, and I don't want that because I want to make it a complete single black shape. So that is good for me. I didn't notice that, otherwise I would do that in the first place. Then I didn't need to do it for the each and every tree here, just like this. Okay, let me, okay guys, so that part is done. Now I need to select the trees individually like this one. Then if I use my pathfinder, merge and unite, it will become a complete one shape, but I need it to be black or any color I want, that doesn't matter. So let's select this one again, merge unite to make it a complete black shape. That is good. Then select this one, merge unite. Okay, that is also good. So this is now the position of my design. If I select this group here, I can see whatever inside the group. If I select them like this, merge unite to make it a complete one single shape. So now I have three Christmas tree, but all of them are in this kind of black shape. So let's use our pattern here. So first of all, we need to open the pattern. Like this one is the, okay, this pattern is looking like kind of fake pattern. This is just made with lines and blocks. So maybe the other one will work for us, and that will give you guys some idea how to work with patterns. So whenever we are downloading something like this, some premium patterns, we need to know how to work with them. You can see these are just some shadows in the shadows to make it look like they are cloths, so we don't need them. I just need this pattern, so let's select that one and copy. So the process is, I need to bring it inside my, like the inside my artboard where I am going to work here. Okay, as you can see, I just copied the, okay, I don't need this trees anymore. I just copied the, like the top layer of the pattern. You can see the color is in the background. So I need to first of all select them, both of them like this, then copy. Then I need to paste it here, Ctrl V. You can see now I have this pattern. Now I need to make it a group so that I don't lose the position. Now the reason is, this is a pre-made pattern, so we need to adjust the size here. Like these blocks here, how big we want this. Like if I want it like smaller like this, I can keep it like this. Then if I open my source panel, I can simply drag it into the, okay, that is not working like that because this is, that is already added, but we need to add that red color also. So let's make it a pattern. Go to object, pattern, and make, okay, anything. Okay, this is already a pattern, so I cannot make it, well, this is not working like this. So let's ungroup this one. As we have this pattern pre-made, so let's make it, bring it in the source panel. You can see there is my pattern, and for the trees here, I need to make the tree in this color. So that is good. Now select the tree, press Ctrl C to make a copy. Then if I click here, it will be filled with that white, black and white pattern, but I want it to make it look like that red. So let's select our tree, press Ctrl B. That red shape that we copied now is now pasted in the background. So that's how our design is looking like this. So maybe for this one I'm going to double click to select only this one, then just copy this one. Okay, maybe I will make it. Okay, let's first bring our, I wanted to make it one this white pattern, one this red pattern, but that's okay. Let's bring our that leopard skin texture. You can see this is the pattern, we don't need this one as well, and then this is the shadow created to make it, give it a look like this is okay. So we just only need this one. As you can see, this is a pre-made pattern with the background. So let's copy this one, just copy, paste it here. Now the size will, you can see this is like going to be a really smaller size for my tree. So let's make it a little bigger like this. Then okay, this is a pre-made pattern, so if we try to make it a pattern, it will not work. Okay, this is working right now. So I thought it will not work. That's not a problem. You can see this is good for us. Then press done, click on the done here. Now we have a pattern, and that is in this much bigger size. So let's select our tree group, then click here. It will be filled with that pattern. You can see how easily we can change it. So that's the main focus point of the video here. Now our pattern and the tree is made. So let's add this text to our design. So let's use a font like pink horn unicorn. Yeah, that is a good font. Okay, maybe for this one, maybe use our Bolvier rustic font. That is a good font. Okay, no, that's a wrong idea. So I'm going to use this one because this is a Christmas design and it should be something like scripted kind of font. Okay, so once our pattern is made, I can simply make them a group so that I can lose their position. Now select this to align it together. Now if I can make it capitalized like this, cut that text. Then if I take my type on path tool, just like this, then press the text and it will be pasted like that. Okay, come on, I was working for a client and then I get this idea to share with you. Okay, that is good enough, like big enough. So merry and bright, it is just going to be a very basic t-shirt design. Okay, I can fix it from this area here, merry and then bright. I'm just going to make it a two line design, nothing fancy. So let's pick our this color here. You can see may your day be merry and bright. Just a simple color, like simple design like this. Then select them, align them center wise. Then we can simply select our text and fill it with the pattern we created. So let's, okay, for that I need to first of all break this one. Then I'm going to like, okay, I need that pattern's red color. So let's copy this one, paste it here, or simply drag it in my, okay, not like that. Just click on new, then click OK. It will be added in my source panel, so I don't need the library right now. Okay, so I need to first of all make this one this red, then copy, then apply the pattern on it, then press Ctrl B. It will be pasted in the background. So everything here is now in that same pattern, that is looking good. Just something, some extra elements we can add here, just like some sparkling stars like this, because this is going to, sorry, copy, Ctrl F to paste in front, just like this, then Ctrl F to paste in front. Okay, just these are just some random star kind of shapes I'm going to, okay, sorry for that, paste in front again. So this is just to fill these areas. You may have seen this kind of effect in different designs, just like this. Then I need to remove this one and this one. Okay, sorry for that. First of all, keep a copy here because I'm going to make some variation in the design, just like this. Then make it a group, keep it on here. Okay, this is just like placing the designs to cover those areas, and that is good. Now this one of them, like this one, and maybe I don't know which one, maybe this one. I want to make it this same color fill. So let's first of all fill it with the red, then press Ctrl C to make a copy, then apply the texture, then press Ctrl B. That red shape will be pasted in the background. Okay, so that is all for this video, guys. Let's group them all together so that I don't lose their positions. Now this is going to be the final design for me, and then again I am going to show you guys another, like a tips you can say. If you take a artboard of 3000 by 3000 or something bigger, like 5000 by 5000, maybe. Okay, let's take it 3000 by 3000. Then if I like this one, so let's copy this one. Sorry for that, not in here, in this one. So if I make a pattern with this swatch panel like this, with the pattern we take from here, not here, this one, then copy this one, paste it here. Just pasting it here will bring that in my source panel. So I am selecting this shape, copy, then fill that with the pattern, then press Ctrl B to paste it back. Now just export this artboard as a PNG image, and you will get an option on Teespring like a all over print hoodie. You can make a all over print hoodie with this pattern, so that will be easier, and this is really something related to Christmas, so people will buy this kind of designs if you make it a all over print t-shirt with this pattern, because these patterns are for shirts. You can make a long, like a long sleeve t-shirt design, or a all over print hoodie design with this pattern, and that will be interesting, something interesting. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one and learned something new for working with patterns. So thank you everyone, have a great time, see you in the next video.